students, welcome to engineering assignments. In engineering assignments, we are going to study a topic in the second module that deals with data preprocessing. Data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is a data mining technique that involves transforming raw data into an understandable format. See, everything around you is generating data. The mobile phones which you are using to see this video is generating a data. The CCTV cameras, the satellite, the browse search history, the YouTube channel you are watching is generating a data. See, whenever I am making a video on data preprocessing on engineering assignments and I'm uploading it into the YouTube, then I'm generating a data. So the data will be generated from multiple sources. So data generated from the multiple sources will be the raw data, and this data will be unprocessed data, and this data must be converted into understandable format so that it can be used in business to know about the current trends and the future outcomes. So this data processing technique is very important step in data mining as it prepares the data for data mining. Now, why the data preprocessing? The data in the real world is dirty. The dirty means here is that the data which you are obtaining from various resources may be inaccurate, incomplete, inconsistent, and can be in improper format. So, mainly the data becomes dirty because of the incomplete information, like lacking attribute values or lacking certain attributes of the interest or containing only aggregated data. For example, occupation. See here, occupation. Occupation, I haven't given any value here. So that is incomplete information is provided about occupation. Next, noisy data. Noisy data consists of errors or outliers. For example, the salary is equal to -10. It is actually the error data. Next is inconsistent. Inconsistent data happens because it contains discrepancy in the codes or the names. For example, the age is 42 and birthday is 3/7/1997, and it won't be matching with the age. Next, the rating. So rating was given previously as 1, 2, 3. Now the rating is given as ABC. The meaning is the same thing, but they are being represented by different ways. Then discrepancy between the duplicate records. The duplicate records also makes inconsistent data. For example, the records about the every month collection. In one record, in January, it is written as 11,000, and in another record, the same thing is written as 10,000. So there comes a discrepancy between the duplicate records. You won't understand which one has to be taken. Now, why this data becomes dirty? The data becomes dirty. First thing is because of the incomplete data may come from. First thing is not applicable. The data value collected will be written as not applicable. Then different consideration between the time when the data was collected and when it was analyzed. So the time also makes a difference in data. So next one is human or hardware and software problems that can also make incomplete data. Next is noisy data. So noisy or incorrect data may come from faulty data collection instruments, or it may be because of the human or computer error at the time of data entry or error during the data transmission. Next is inconsistent data. Inconsistent data may occur because you are collecting the data from different data sources. And next, it can be because of the functional dependency violation. For example, modify some linked data. Next is duplicate record also need a data cleaning. Next, we are dealing with why this thing is important. First one, no quality data, no quality mining results. So if you are not providing quality data, then no quality mining will be happening. What do you mean by quality data? Quality data means the data which is accurate, data which is complete, which is consistent, which is believable, which is interpretable, and which can be accessed very easily. And these are the basic quality of the data. So quality decision must be based on this quality data. Duplicate or missing data may cause incorrect or even misleading statistics. So data warehouse need consistent integration of the quality data. Data extraction, cleaning and transformation comprises the majority of the work of building a data warehouse. So it's very important in data mining process. Now, what are the major tasks in data pre-processing? First one is data cleaning. Data cleaning means you fill in the missing values, you smooth the noisy data, identify or remove the outliers, and resolve inconsistency. That is meant by cleaning. Now, next is data integration. As I told you before, the data is collected from multiple sources. So, we need to integrate or bring them together. That is called as data integration. The integration of multiple databases, data cubes, or files is called as data integration. Next, data transformation. Data which you are obtaining will be in the different format. So you need a particular format. It is needed to transform into a suitable format which is required in the data mining process. And it can be achieved by normalization and aggregation. Next is data reduction. The data which is collected from multiple sources will be in a huge volume. So data reduction reduces the size of the data because the data mining performed on a huge data set is not efficient as it is on a reduced data set. And also it is necessary for data discretization, and it's actually the part of data reduction but with particular importance, especially for the numerical data. And this part we'll be dealing in the other videos. So these are the form of data pre-processing. That is, first you are cleaning the data. See, the data has been very much cleansed. Next, the data is collected from the various sources and they are put inside here. Then data is transformed. The data is being converted into whatever format is necessary. Next, data reduction is performed. See here, this table has been reduced to this way. So that is data reduction. So we'll be dealing with each and every type of data pre-processing. So that's all about the data pre-processing introduction. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my video.